Welcome to your first step into a larger world. This guide is your friendly companion to write and publish your first romance novel on Amazon Kindle Unlimited. Writing a whole book can feel enormous, like staring up at a mountain you are not sure you can climb. But great journeys are finished one small, steady step at a time. This roadmap breaks the process into simple, manageable tasks. You need a story in your heart, a clear plan, and gentle discipline to show up daily. This guide uses plain words and short sentences for clarity. Imagine a library millions can access anywhere, anytime. That is the power of Kindle Unlimited, or KU. Readers pay a monthly fee and can borrow unlimited KU books. For new authors, this lowers the barrier to discovery. Instead of asking for a purchase, you ask for a borrow. You are paid per page read from the KDP Select Global Fund. Engaging, hard-to-put-down romances thrive in KU. We will go step by step: idea, characters, outline, draft, edit, prepare, publish, launch. Every great romance begins with a simple, compelling idea. Simplicity is your strength. Start with a clear, one-sentence concept. Think of familiar situations with a romantic twist. Example: a city baker clashes with the grumpy farmer who supplies her flour. Or, two rival lawyers forced to share an office discover undeniable attraction. Write 5 ideas. Pick the one that makes you ask, what happens next? Create 2 leads with a clear external want and a deeper internal need. Wants drive action, needs drive growth and sparks. Add name, age, job, one deep fear, and a secret. Choose a subgenre to set tone and heat level. Sweet and Clean focuses on the emotional journey. Contemporary feels modern and grounded in real issues. Rom-coms lean into witty banter and funny situations. Outline a simple 3-act structure. Act 1, meet and spark. Act 2, tension builds. Act 3, biggest test and satisfying ending. With idea, characters, and plot map ready, it is time to write. Consistency beats speed. Aim for 500 to 1,000 words per day. At 700 words 5 days a week, you can draft a 49,000-word novel in about 7 weeks. Use focused blocks with short breaks, the Pomodoro technique. Do not edit while you write. Your only goal now is to get the story onto the page. Focus on showing, not telling. Instead of, she was nervous, she twisted the hem of her shirt. Instead of, he was angry, his jaw tightened, his eyes fixed past her. Use the 5 senses to make moments feel immediate. Keep sentences clear and direct. Stuck? Reread your last few pages, look at your outline, write the very next moment, or skip ahead and come back later. Maintain forward momentum to finish the draft. Congratulations on finishing your first draft. Now do nothing. Rest your manuscript for 1 to 2 weeks. Distance lets you return with fresh eyes. First read through, no line fixes. Take big picture notes separately. Identify plot holes, pacing issues, and weak scenes. This is your developmental edit. Check the foundation of the story. Make a plan to fix big issues in draft 2. Then line edit. Polish clarity, rhythm, and flow. Read dialogue out loud. It should sound natural. Hunt repetition. Check scene pacing and ensure tension builds. If budget is tight, use beta readers for feedback. After revisions, proofread for typos, grammar, punctuation. Use tools if needed and do slow, careful read-throughs. A clean book respects your reader and elevates your story. Your cover is your most important marketing tool. Ensure title and author are readable at thumbnail size. Match subgenre conventions so readers instantly recognize romance and tone. On a budget, pre-made covers are a great investment. Write a compelling blurb. Hook, introduce both leads, raise stakes, tease the journey. Format with Kindle Create, build a clickable talk, export your .kpf. Preview on multiple devices and fix any formatting glitches. Go to kdp.amazon.com and create your account. Uploading is organized into book details, book content, and pricing. Fill in title, subtitle, author, and paste your blurb. Use reader phrases for keywords and choose specific categories for visibility. Upload files. Let Amazon assign a free ebook ISBN if you prefer. Do not skip the online previewer. Confirm rights, choose territories, and enroll in KDP Select for KU. Set your ebook price. KU pays by pages read, not list price. Publishing is huge. Now build momentum. Start a tiny list of friends, family, and early fans, your street team. As a new author, a short free promotion can drive downloads and visibility. Use promo sites to announce your free days and reach readers. Downloads boost charts, exposure, and potential reviews. Join relevant groups, follow rules, and share your cover and blurb genuinely. Connect with readers. Do not just drop a link and run. For KU success, write the next book. Regular releases build momentum. Each new release helps sell your previous books. Before launch, proofread, preview, cover, blurb, keywords, categories, KU choice, and a simple promo plan. Listen to feedback, study results, and carry lessons forward. You have the map, the tools, and the story. Take the first step, then the next, and the next. Success is small, steady efforts compounded over time. You can do this. Good luck, and happy writing.